Clark, and I've been acting as teacher leader today for a science day at Shorne Country Park. I've had a superb day, a day of ideas, of inspiration, and we've just done an end of day feedback with the teachers, and it is lovely to see the enthusiasm. It's lovely to see ideas being taken back into school and the very idea of networking. We talked about our science curriculum. We talked about how we might bring additional perspectives in. So we talked about creativity in our science curriculum, how we might use additional links to art, to literature, so that we were looking at a full holistic science curriculum with very rigorous but joyful science learning outcomes.
We've been learning about how to teach animals and their habitats. So we've been around Shorne Country Park, we've looked at some different habitats, we've looked at quadrats and how to count organisms, and we've looked at some adaptations of some different animals and why they live where they live. Some of the activities can definitely be carried over into secondary school, definitely.
One of the great joys of the PTI is that real respect for teachers' existing knowledge and expertise, tailoring needs and tailoring ideas to particular school contexts and hub contexts, and a real respect for deep subject knowledge and the joy of learning in those subjects. I think the PTI hubs are such a good opportunity to stand back from the classroom for a moment, meet like-minded professionals to explore, hands-on, talk, share ideas, most importantly to reflect on what we do, why we do it, and why we came into this amazing profession in the first place.